12 Medicinal Uses of Indian Plum, Zizyphus jujuba. Welcome to our exploration of the incredible healing properties of the Indian plum, also known scientifically as Zizyphus jujuba. This versatile plant is cherished for its delicious fruits and numerous medicinal applications. In this video, we'll discuss the plant's characteristics, its medicinal uses, how to prepare it safely, and precautions to take when using it. Plant overview. The Indian plum is a medium-sized deciduous tree, growing up to 6 meters tall with a dense, spreading crown. Its bark varies from black to gray or brown and is often rough and deeply furrowed. The tree has spines typically arranged in pairs, one straight and the other curved. The leaves are oblong or ovate, measuring 2 to 6.3 centimeters long, with a shiny upper surface and 3 distinct nerves. The small greenish-yellow flowers are clustered in dense axillary cymes. The fruit is a globose drupe, transitioning from green to yellow, orange, and finally reddish-brown as it matures, containing a single seed surrounded by an edible, fleshy pulp. Medicinal uses. The Indian plum is renowned for its wide range of medicinal applications, addressing various health conditions. 1. Biliousness and headache. The root decoction alleviates biliousness, excess secretion of bile, and headaches. 2. Boils, dysentery, and diarrhea. The bark decoction effectively treats skin boils, dysentery, and diarrhea. 3. Fever, obesity, and anthelmintic uses. An infusion of the leaves is used to reduce fever, assist in weight management, expel parasitic worms, anthelmintic, and promote the healing of bleeding gums and wounds. It also supports liver health. 4. Laxative, tuberculosis, and blood diseases. Consuming the ripe fruits acts as a natural laxative, aids in the treatment of tuberculosis, and supports blood health. 5. Eye diseases, cough, asthma, and leukorrhea. A seed decoction helps manage eye diseases, alleviate cough and asthma symptoms, and treat leukorrhea. 6. Scorpion stings. The young leaves, when pounded together with the leaves of the wild fig, Ficus glomerata, can be applied to scorpion stings to relieve pain. Parts used. The parts of the Indian plum used for medicinal purposes include 1. Roots, used for decoctions to treat biliousness and headaches. 2. Bark, employed in decoctions to treat boils, dysentery, and diarrhea. 3. Leaves, infused for treating fever, obesity, and other ailments. 4. Ripe fruits, consumed for their laxative effects and other health benefits. 5. Seeds, made into a decoction for respiratory and reproductive health issues. How to use. 1. Root decoction. Boil the roots in water to create a decoction. Consume as directed to relieve biliousness and headaches. 2. Bark decoction. Similarly, boil the bark in water to make a decoction. Drink this for treating skin boils, dysentery, and diarrhea. 3. Leaf infusion. Soak the leaves in hot water to prepare an infusion. This can be consumed to reduce fever, manage obesity, and promote healing. 4. Ripe fruit consumption. Eat the ripe fruits fresh to benefit from their laxative properties and to support treatment of tuberculosis and blood diseases. 5. Seed decoction. Boil the seeds in water to make a decoction. This can be used to treat eye diseases, cough, asthma, and leukorrhea. 6. Scorpion sting remedy. Pound young leaves with wild fig leaves and apply directly to the sting area to relieve pain. Dosage. The dosage of Indian plum preparations varies based on the specific condition being treated. Generally, decoctions and infusions are consumed in small amounts, usually a cup, 240 milliliters, once or twice daily, depending on the severity of the condition. It's important to follow proper dosage guidelines and consult a qualified healthcare professional. Precautions and safety. 1. Toxicity. The Indian plum is generally considered safe for medicinal use when prepared and consumed properly. However, like any herbal remedy, it should be used with caution. 2. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to certain components of the plant. It's advisable to perform a patch test or consume a small amount first to check for any adverse reactions. 3. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with a healthcare provider before using any part of the Indian plum, as there is limited research on its safety during these periods. 4. Chronic conditions. Individuals with chronic health conditions, such as diabetes or heart disease, should consult their doctor before using the Indian plum, as it may interact with other medications or exacerbate certain conditions. 5. Children. While traditionally used in various cultures, the use of Indian plum in children should be approached with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. How to prepare. Root decoction. Take 10 to 15 grams of dried roots. Boil in 500 milliliters of water until the water reduces to half. Strain and consume warm. Bark decoction. Use a similar method as the root decoction, boiling the bark in water and consuming the strained liquid. Leaf infusion. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves in a cup of boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and drink. Seed decoction. Use 5 to 10 grams of seeds. Boil in 300 milliliters of water until reduced by half, strain, and use as needed. The Indian plum, Zizyphus jujuba, is a remarkable plant with a rich history of medicinal use. Its various parts offer a wide range of health benefits, from treating digestive issues to supporting respiratory and skin health. While it is generally safe, it's crucial to use it responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Always be mindful of the correct dosage and take precautions to avoid any potential side effects. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on amazing healing plants. Stay healthy and informed.